Tired of the same fast food options on delivery apps? Ever wonder what hidden food gems your city has to offer? What if food delivery could be about discovery, not just convenience? In a market ruled by convenience, Hain brings something different. A taste of authenticity. We're here to champion local flavors, support small businesses, and redefine food delivery in the Philippines.
Next, we're going to analyze Heinz brand equity in comparison to the industry leaders GrabFood and Foodpanda. For brand awareness, GrabFood as the market leader with 61% of the food delivery market share has massive brand awareness. Its recognition is bolstered by its super app, which integrates multiple services like GrabCar, GrabPay, and GrabExpress, making GrabFood a go-to app for many Filipinos. On the other hand, Foodpanda, with its 39% market share, focuses on consistent advertising and exclusive deals with restaurants to build brand recall. In comparison, Hain, which targets a niche market by focusing on independent food vendors, is in the early stages of establishing its unique identity but aims to stand out by supporting small businesses and providing a curated experience. In terms of perceived quality, GrabFood leads with higher ratings across various service domains, including faster delivery times, generally averaging 30 minutes. Foodpanda, while still maintaining good service quality, sometimes experience slower delivery times, which can be a drawback for some users. Heinz positioning focuses on quality over speed, offering authentic culinary experiences, especially for those seeking unique and locally sourced food options, which resonates strongly with socially conscious foodies. Now for brand association, Grab Food is closely linked to convenience and variety thanks to its wide array of services beyond food delivery. Foodpanda, on the other hand, is strongly associated with affordability, using frequent promotions and discounts to build customer loyalty. Hine, however, differentiates itself by emphasizing support for small independent food vendors and offering a personalized, unique food discovery experience. It's not just about food delivery, it's about supporting local businesses and discovering hidden culinary gems. As for brand loyalty, GrabFood enjoys strong brand loyalty due to its integration into users' everyday routines, offering not just food delivery but also other services. Foodpanda focuses on price-driven loyalty, with offers like Panda Pro and frequent discount promotions. Hain aims to build loyalty by offering personalized experiences that resonate with its target audience, focusing on niche locally owned restaurants. Additionally, its Gabisera Rewards program, which offers customers the opportunity to earn points and support local vendors, is designed to deepen customer engagement. Lastly, for brand identity, GrabFood's brand identity is that of a premium, reliable, and efficient service provider with a smooth user interface and green branding. Foodpanda, by contrast, is known for being youthful, playful, and budget-friendly with its distinct pink color and panda mascot. Hain, however, seeks to carve a unique identity by embracing authenticity, community, and cultural connection. Its identity is grounded in supporting local businesses and telling the stories behind every dish, setting it apart from the more mainstream platforms.
Hain is a niche food delivery platform that curates authentic local food from small and independent businesses. In a market dominated by mass convenience, Hain offers a more meaningful alternative, celebrating diversity, culture, and quality through every meal. It's not just about delivery, it's about discovery.
So, for a key action statement, we plan to get millennial and Gen Z foodies who value authentic local food, enjoy discovering hidden and ultra niche restaurants, and want to support small businesses to choose Hain as their go to delivery platform for meaningful and interactive dining experience by exclusively featuring independent vendors, highlighting the owner's stories as well as the invention of each of their dishes through storytelling features, and creating a warm, community driven brand experience that brings the essence of Filipino home cooked meals to their table. Meet Bianca Tan, a 26-year-old peer associate based in Makati. She earns 45,000 a month and lives a fast-paced city life, balancing her demanding career and creative side hustles. What makes her stand out? She's a purpose-driven foodie, always on the lookout for authentic, quality meals that tells a story. Bianca supports small businesses, is loyal to brands she connects with, and unwinds by discovering hidden cafes and food spots with her boyfriend. She's also socially active, constantly posting her food finds, taking online quizzes, and saving TikTok recommendations for her next meal. She's health conscious too. While she avoids fast food, she's open to flavorful, well prepared meals that fit her lifestyle and values. In short, Bianca is a perfect match for Hain. She craves real food with real stories, and Hain brings that experience right to her table. This leads to our positioning statement for middle to upper class Filipino food lovers who crave variety and want to support local. Hain is the food delivery platform that is the only created app exclusively for independent and homegrown food vendors so they can discover unique local flavors while supporting small businesses because Hain offers advanced search filters, vendor stories, and exclusive access to culinary gems not found on mainstream platforms.
Now for Hain's place and go-to-market strategy. For app availability, we are launching Hain in Metro Manila, which is our core target area as it offers high demand for food delivery services. We focus on urban hubs like Makati, Quezon City, Taguig, Pasig, and Mandaluyong, which are home to our target demographic, millennials, and Gen Z consumers who are both tech-savvy and value experienced. After a successful launch, we'll gradually expand to Cebu and eventually to other cities like Davao and Iloilo, where the demand for independent homegrown food vendors is also growing. Our go-to-market strategy is built around three main pillars. First one is vendor onboarding. Hine will onboard independent food vendors, ensuring we only feature authentic local brands. We will help them through the process with training and support to ensure smooth integration with our app, providing them with the exposure they deserve. Second is rider network and logistics. To guarantee reliable deliveries, we'll establish our own dedicated rider network. This ensures higher control over service quality. We also have the real-time tracking on the app so both customers and vendors can follow the order every step of the way. And lastly is the digital marketing and localized campaigns. We launch targeted social media campaigns on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to highlight local food vendors and their stories. Partnering with influencers will help us connect with our audience, focusing on unique food experiences and community engagement.
Finally, the big idea behind Hain is simple but powerful: bringing home to your table. It's more than just a tagline, it's our promise. At its core, Hain is a platform that connects users to authentic, homegrown meals by shining a spotlight on the stories and flavors of independent and niche restaurants. So this is an overview of our promotions plan. This is actually leveraging the marketing funnel for all of the phases of the campaign. So the first one would be pagluluto or driving buzz of the campaign, and then the second one is paghahanda or preparation. So we are preparing the target audience through engaging them with marketing gimmicks and activations that we have prepared for them. And then the paghahain is actually the meat of our campaign. That's why it leverages on the title as well of the app, which is Hain. And then the last one is Pagsasalo. So it is the loyalty program. So we want for people to share and then the customers to share the app to their loved ones or to other people as well. So to officially kickstart the campaign and launch the brand, Pagluluto is the first space. We're going all in on social media. Think short form TikToks and reels that capture the beauty of food being cooked, plated, and lovingly shared by our vendors. These visuals don't just show food; they share care, history, and home. So our influencer strategy also follows the 1990 principle. As you can see, we've identified Chris Uy to headline the campaign. Her values of warmth, family, and joy around food strongly align with Hain's spirit and resonate with our millennial and Gen Z market. Backing her up will work with nine micro influencers like John Choi, known for his authentic reviews and lovey life who boast high engagement rate within her audiences. So finally, we'll activate 90 nano creators, including school org partners and community content creators, compensated through vouchers and meals instead of a massive budget. Their brief captured those cozy, relatable moments like ordering lunch at the office or unwinding at home with your favorite niche spot you can't find anywhere else. To boost credibility, as you can see here also, we'll also partner with lifestyle platforms like Spot PH or Scout and food communities like What's Your Ulam Pare to ground Hain within culturally relevant digital spaces. Now, in the consideration phase, we're introducing Hapag, Tales from the Table, an ongoing social series that turns our vendor feature into moving narratives. Through carousel and videos, we'll showcase the people behind the plates, bringing their stories to life emotionally. We'll also launch a What's Your Taste profile, quiz, think Spotify rap meets Filipino food. First, users go through our Instagram stories quiz where they choose their cravings, what their favorite cuisines are, rice or noodles, spicy or savory, etc., etc. Based on their picks, we send them a customized team profile via DM with their perfect hain meal and the story behind the vendor who made it. So they also get an exclusive discount code to try their match through the app. To push conversions, we're offering 100% off for the first time users via sign up or referrals with an extra 50% bonus if they order from a featured local vendor. And for added urgency, we'll roll out Hapagkainan flash deals, limited time promos on top rated dishes. But here's the twist. Instead of free delivery, we'll have campaigns where 100% of order earnings go directly to the vendors and riders. It's a statement of our values, real support, not just surface level promo. So we aim to and we hope to achieve a brand building equity here in this kind of promo that we'll be doing. So aside from that, we'll also do hyper local notifications. We'll also nudge users when they've close to must try hidden gems, making discovery immediate and delicious. So finally, to nurture loyalty or the pagsasalo phase, we're launching the Cabecera program, a tiered reward system where users earn points per order. Points can be redeemed for perks or donated back to vendors, strengthening the cycle of community and support. Add to that personalized pop ups and SMS targeting based on order history, and we ensure every users feel seen, valued, and cared for. Hain isn't just another delivery app, it's a community, a movement, and a shared Filipino table, bringing home to your table one story at a time.
Hain isn't just delivering food. We're delivering stories, culture, and community. Support local, taste different. Choose Hain.